Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you valuable tips and tricks for using your Android device efficiently. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to audio call your Facebook friend on Android. Facebook is a great platform to connect with your friends. But did you know that you can also make audio calls directly from the Facebook app on your Android device? It's a great way to catch up with your loved ones without having to switch between multiple apps. So without further ado, let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. First, you need to open the Facebook app on your Android device. If you haven't already logged in, enter your login credentials and sign in. Step 2. Search for your friend's profile. Next, you'll need to search for the profile of the friend you want to call. You can do this by typing their name in the search bar at the top of the app. Step 3. Tap the three dots. Once you've found your friend's profile, tap the three dots in the top right-hand corner of their profile. Step 4. Select Audio Call from the drop-down menu. Select Audio Call. This will initiate an audio call with your friend, and you'll be able to talk to them in real time. And that's it, folks. Those are the simple steps to audio call your Facebook friend on Android. It's quick, easy, and a great way to stay connected with your friends and family. If you're someone who frequently uses Facebook to stay in touch with your loved ones, then this feature is definitely worth exploring. Not only is it convenient, but it's also a great way to keep the conversation going. So, that's all for today's video. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.